Hello to all friends who are passionate about technology and internet purchases are welcome to Tech TV Land. And on this occasion I bring a new list of gadgets for your car that are really useful. I hope that if you like this type of videos you can subscribe to the channel and don't forget to activate the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get started. 1. Car GPS Tracker. The safety of our cars is important to everyone, which is why they have been creating security gadgets that have been helping us feel safe with our cars. And one of those are trackers or GPS, like this mini tracker that works with GSM, has a dedicated application and functionality for real-time tracking, speeding alert, main power outage alert. Among other functions, on the other hand, is waterproof to ensure smooth operation no matter what the weather conditions. 2. Car Jump Starter. One of the most difficult things is to discharge the battery in our car at an inopportune time and we can't turn it on. Luckily, it will always exist a gadget that helps us solve our problems and makes it easier for us to life. Like this emergency car lighter with capacity for 40 on when fully charged, plus it also works as 800 amp load bank for our devices. This gadget is compatible with a wide variety of models and types of cars. Is the gadget indicated to help us when we have setbacks with the battery of our car. 3. Car Door Handle Decoration Lights. Many of us are satisfied with the fact that our car steals the gaze of all those around us. And if there is a way to attract attention, it is with LED lights, especially for the modern and futuristic look that the lights generated inside our cars. That is why these lights are ideal to attract attention. These LED lights designed for the handle and the tank of the doors makes it look different from any other. These lights are easy to installation and low consumption with high lighting efficiency that is available in several colors, a gadget that will make our cars look differentiate from the rest. 4. Universal Tesla-style car DVD player. In these times we must always be connected at all times, and with this gadget you can drive your car without losing connection with the outside. This gadget is a big screen with Tesla style, is 12.8 inches high definition with the ability to rotate thanks to a strong arm. Hence can be adjusted horizontally or vertically. Features Android 9, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. Also has connectivity, Bluetooth and GPS to guide us on our tours. Our car will be totally different. With this modern gadget, on the other hand, it has a high compatibility by having a universal size. Five. Winter Car Heater Universal. The winter season brings with it a variety of mishaps that can affect us when driving our cars safely. One of these is the fogging the glass of our cars. Luckily, gadgets have been developed who can help us with these problems. And one of them is this heater car that, in addition to keeping us warm inside our cars, purifies the air and demists the windshields. All these functions in this compact and practical gadget. Its design has the shape of a glass, so we can have it in the cup holder or hold it on the windshield thanks to an arm. 6. Car Scratch Remover. One of the most painful things that can happen to us is scratching the paint on our car in a small accident, besides taking it to a workshop to fix. That small damage can be very expensive, which is why they have created different ways to solve this, and one of them is this scratch remover, easy to apply. It is ideal for removing small scratches of the paint of our car. It is used to treat rust or do maintenance to the painting of our vehicle. 7. Car Repair Lying Board with LED Light. When checking the bottom of our car, it can be a bit complicated move, even more when we have to look for a tool. Besides that, we can finish with our dirty clothes. This gadget will help us in that task. Is a platform that has 6 independent wheels to glide smoothly. It also has 2 compartments which we are able to have the tools we will use, and a flashlight with which we will be able to observe without problems. 8. Car Inverter District of Columbia 12V to AC 220V Converter. Sometimes we spend a great deal of time in our car and it is always necessary to connect different devices to perform all the tasks that we require. Luckily, gadgets have been developed to help us to solve our problems, like this power inverter for cars. This gadget can be connected to the cigarette case of our car and give us a variety of functions, such as granting us a 220-volt power outlet, 4 USB charging ports, and car battery voltage detection. In addition to these functions, it has an air purifier, a complete gadget to help us in our tasks while we purify our air. Nine. Minigun Exhaust. Powerful speakers, cool suspension, gull wing doors. That's nothing compared to this cool upgrade you can put on even a motorcycle. It is an exhaust pipe with a gun. Reminds us of action movies like Ambulance. But luckily for the drivers behind, it does not shoot. Instead, it turns spectacularly and will undoubtedly cause a sensation in the auto shows. These pieces are usually made to order, and people in the comments ask for flames to be added, and they are willing to shell out money for it. You can find a similar production model for about $1,000. Inflatable car bed. Sleeping in a car can become difficult and uncomfortable. However, every time more and better gadgets are created that help us even in the most daily tasks. How are you doing? That is why this inflatable mattress is an ideal accessory in case we need to sleep in our car. This mattress is designed for work perfectly on universal 5-seater cars and comes with an air pump to inflate it, as well as a couple of pillows for ensure a pleasant rest. A repair kit is also included in case of any inconvenience. And well friends, this video has come so far. Remember that if you liked the video, you can support us with your like, your comment, share with your friends. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notifications so that YouTube notifies us every time you upload a new video we see.